Warning. TS Booster from BD Power is a powerful upgrade that may create a feeling of boost superiority. TS Booster is only recommended for individuals looking to increase their boost and enhance their driving experience. TS Booster is not recommended for individuals with neck pain and requirement to move slowly, or those who do not like to feel raw power in the loins. Increased response time is linked to faster take-off, safer vehicle and collision avoidance, and smoother towing. BD Power is not responsible for any decisions made while operating TS Booster. Please consult your internal happiness before and after purchasing TS Booster. This is your final warning. Increase your throttle response with the TS Booster from BD Power. Available for thousands of different vehicles, TS Booster offers different modes for controlling your throttle. With a quick and easy install and small controller, you can adjust modes for any situation you find yourself in. Experience TS Booster on your vehicle today.